Hon Job Sikhala in a frantic international campaign against Mnangagwa's 2030 project. Hon Job Sikhala is reaching out to all progressive international voices to reject a constitutional coup currently taking place in Zimbabwe, to rob Zimbabweans of their right to elect leaders of their own choice when elections are due. Honorable Job Sikhala is lobbying sitting government leaders and former heads of state to reject the power grab maneuvers that are being done by Emmerson Mnangagwa and his regime in Zimbabwe. This campaign will see Africa and the world pronouncing their positions against the constitutional coup being carried out by the 2030 ISTs and Mnangagwa's regime. The rejection of the 2030 project must be in Zimbabwe and in Africa and the world at large. Sooner rather than later, eminent African leaders are going to pronounce their disdain against the 2030 project. This will go a long way to amplify the struggle of the people of Zimbabwe against Emmerson Mnangagwa and his ZANU-PF's power grab, antics and dictatorship.